is a super nice Restomod type build truck. Former show car in the 90s. Viper red. It's a 48 Ford F100 with a 52 grill, as you can see. Drivetrain has been completely redone. It's got a CUDA 340 under the hood. Aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, power brakes, discs in the front. It's got tilt wheel, aluminum radiator, custom front end. Very nice finish on it. Big meat down some meats on the back. As you can see, all aluminum bed, all professionally done. They did a pretty nice job. Lights, signals work. Truck is turnkey. You can get in, drive it right away. It's got excellent get up and go. Automatic transmission on the column, also from Barracuda. Nice driver quality interior. Bucket seats, center console. As you can see, the tilt wheel, it's later model. Cages. Nice truck. It's been a while since I've seen one that was built up like this. No hitch, as you can see. I mean, this thing can tear up tree trunks. Exhaust, cherry bomb mufflers. Got full side steps, as you can see. No rust underneath at all. Excellent chassis. It's just a nice truck. Not perfect, obviously, but super cool looking driver. You can get in, drive anywhere with lots of creature comforts.